Yeah, well, if our Prime Minister, if our illustrious Prime Minister was into audio, he would have said, how smooth is that? And I won't take too much of your time. It's a third video about this player, and I'm pretty proud of this because it has been taken off the rubbish dump. And the customer has found it on the rubbish tip. So it's basically ready, and I wasted a lot of time on it because it was turned off at the end of the track, and this was because it was working in this mode of operation, which is play just one track, rather than that play all the tracks. And you know, if you don't know what you're doing, and some of the lettering is already wiped off this player, this is what happens. So anyway, I mean, it plays very nicely, and it jumps the tracks and does everything, and this is basically it. It has been, I've aligned it. I was just about to give up on it because the manual that I have is of version 2, so I don't really have anything to go on, but I managed to do it. With some experience you can actually tune them. So I'll just play a couple of tones. This is our track 8, which is the biggest interruption data layer, and track 15, biggest black dot, and as you see, it plays well. So this is 30-year-old player, and a beautiful BU1 or KSS 190A mechanism. They are virtually the same, and well, I'll get a country disc to show you something. This is because it has a lot of tracks, so you can go and play track 3 and then play track 15, 7, 2, 6, instantaneous play or anything. Well, thank you very much for your time. Bye bye.